Hi everyone, this is Dalis, also known as Stamper Girl in all the social media. Today I am introducing the Christmas Lantern Shaker Craft Dies. Bring festive cheer to your holiday cards with the Christmas Lantern Shaker Craft Dies. Create stunning shaker cards, or you can use the dies as a regular layer die cut minus the shaker feature. These dies are perfect for any holiday craft. These dies will add a joyful glow to your creation. The finished lantern has an approximate measurement of 2 3/16 by 4.5 inches tall. There are an instruction guide that can be downloaded from the website, and here is a look at it. And you can find a link at the store. Here is the die cut. As it comes, it's all together. So I am removing all the inside die cuts. You can twist them and remove them, or you can use the Cat Scrappiness metal snips. This is a heavy duty metal snip. They cut like butter, and these little pokey things, you just grab them and twist them. Don't try to cut them because they might fly everywhere. But those side ones, just grab them and twist. When you cut these with your metal snips, just like the Cat Scrappiness one, make sure that you keep them together by color. Like this large piece, I'm gonna cut all in black. I'm gonna keep them together so I don't lose the smaller pieces. And this one, I was actually planning on cutting them in white. And here is how I ended up cutting them. I cut the shaker part in black. The top and bottom pieces, I cut them in this very fun glittery silver. And I am just gluing the top and bottom parts into the die cut here. And I did not cut a solid back, because I actually want you to see through what would be the glass part of the lantern. For the handle, I did cut it in a silver glitter paper, and I find it easier to glue the two circle parts, and then I kind of wiggle it in place for the very thin handle. Moving into the next section, one thing that I wanted to show you, I used my embellishment trays, and I put a little bit of magnet with just a piece of washi tape, and I put all my little pieces of die cuts, the dies itself, and they stay there, and I don't lose them while I'm working with them. I am working now with what would be the glass part of the lantern, and I am gluing the top and bottom pieces that I cut in the black cardstock. That cutting them in the same color as the lantern makes it look like it's just one piece that you're putting together. And I did cut the pieces of the lantern in a pretty thick vellum. You could also use a thinner vellum, or you can use Mylar or a packaging piece of one of your stamps. I cut the flames in both red and in yellow. I did a little bit of coloring just to have a little bit more interest. And I am just making sure that I position it so there's a little bit of the flame being covered, but not much, because I want to make sure that you can see the flame. I am adding glue to the part where it's covered with the black area, so you won't see that glue, which is great about these two top and bottom pieces, because now you can put anything that is transparent and you won't see the glue. See how now it looks like just one finished piece and that they're like soldered together. I did cut my evergreen pieces from a piece of paper that I had actually done a gel print. Adding my red bow, because let's make this festive, and I kind of love that pop of color of the red bow. And here is our Christmas lantern. It is super delicate, super cute, and really easy to put together. If you wanted to create this and make it into a shaker, you would cut the back portion and put foam in between and a little bit of mylar or glass, and then add some shaker bits to it. Here I am actually putting a little bit of tape to hold the lantern, the glass part of the lantern inside, and you won't see them because it's being covered by those black pieces on the top and the bottom, which is perfect. The two stencils that you are seeing are, the red one is the Nordic sweater stencil, and this green one is the Christmas sweater stencil. And here I am going to leave you with some amazing samples from the hashtag KS Creative Crew. Enjoy, and make sure that you check out the rest of the die cuts and the release for Cat Scrappiness.